guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm so excited. I'm sharing with you guys a Lily Grace unboxing with their new arrivals. I'm super excited. So today is Monday, July 15th. Their arrivals are live now, so I will have it all linked down below in case you guys want to shop any of these. I'm so excited. I came home from vacation to this package and I was like freaking out, and I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to share this with you guys. So I did slice it open already, just the box, because as we all know, I'm horrible at doing that on camera. And the first thing that you see in here is this Lily Grace flyer, and it says new products released on July 15th. And I was freaking out, and then I was like, Kelly, you have to do a video of this. I haven't even seen any of these yet, which I'm super excited to check them out. If you guys don't know, Lily Grace seriously has the cutest t-shirts ever. They're so soft. I wear them all the time on my Instagram, which I will insert a few pictures. My Instagram is just at Kellyprepster, and I will have their Instagram and social medias listed down below as well. So thank you so much for sending this to me, Lily Grace. I'm so excited to see them, style them, and share. And it's just gonna be so much fun. So this is super exciting. Their packaging, as always, is super cute. It's just navy with their little bumblebee sticker, which I'm just gonna pull these out of the box because this cardboard is super loud. So we're gonna start off with this one and just open it up. Oh my goodness, you guys, the colors are so perfect for summer. And I could see myself easily transitioning these into fall as well. Okay, so the first one is this purple lilac-y t-shirt. I get all of my t-shirts in a size small, in case you guys are wondering. I think they're pretty true to size. If anything, they might have a little bit of a give to them, but I think they're true to size. They're not super oversized since I get them in a size small. It just has their cute little Lily Grace pocket. This color is beautiful. And the back says, they see me rolling with a bike. That is so cute. And you guys know I have a teal bike like this, so this is so cute, so perfect. I'm definitely gonna have to ride my bike wearing this tee. So fun for summer. And I love the little details in the wheels, you guys. I just think that is so cute. The next one is this like watermelon orangey color. Okay, I don't know if I've ever told you guys this, but my dream car, like one of my dream cars, is a white convertible punch buggy that has like a tan top to it. And you guys, it's a little punch buggy. It's so cute. So this one says, she looks for adventure around every corner, and it has a little bit of like glittery sparkle detailing on it with like a cityscape. This is so cute. This one might be my new favorite, to be quite honest. I seriously just adore punch buggies. I think they're so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a seafoam green color, and oh my god, it has a cute little puppy on the back. Look how cute that is. Okay, it says, in my defense, I was left unattended. And he's wearing a little sock. I don't have a dog, but I want a dog. And all these little dog t-shirts are so cute. So it just has a navy Lily Grace design in the front pocket. And then it's just the puppy dog. It's so cute. And I love, again, all this little detailing on here is just so cute and so extra. And wow, that is cute. This one is a cobalt blue color, and it has a white Lily Grace front pocket, and it says find your balance, and it kind of has like a little yin yang sign on the back, but it's kind of like that henna or zentangling design. This is really cool. Like, I could so see myself wearing this with like a pair of like black Nike shorts and some slides, just like a casual day, kind of zen. Oh, these are so soft too, you guys. Okay, and the last one from this pile is a really good end of summer fall color, in my opinion, because it just transitions so well, and it's this dark green, and it just has a little white pocket. I really, really like this color, and it says be sweet and bumble, like be sweet and humble, and it has a little bumblebee on it. That is so cute. Okay, I like this one a lot, and it has gold detailing. That is just so pretty. Yeah, this color is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how fast summer is going by. Like, I have like 6 more weeks of summer, and I'm like, what is happening? But that shirt just has me thinking of fall. Okay, the next stack has some really pretty colors in it as well. So this one is pink. We all know I'm obsessed with pink. The 45 Days of Pink challenge is going on until the end of July, which is so crazy how that went by so quickly. And this one is just a really soft pink one. It has a little white front pocket, and the back says life update, still a mess, like everything in your purse spilled out. This is so cute. Has a little iPhone, some sunglasses, a watch, makeup, bracelets, headphones, a ring. That's so me. My life is just a hot mess. This is so cute. And then another kind of darker shade, which easily transitions from summer to fall, but of course you can wear this all year round, is this navy blue, and it has a little Lily Grace with the white pocket, and the back says, God is more glorious than the moon, he shines brighter than the stars. And it just has a really pretty star detailing, like night with a bunch of stars. This is so pretty, you guys. I love this color. That is so cute. Okay, and the next one is a v-neck, which they started doing v-necks, and I think they have crop tops on their site as well, in case that's something you're interested in. And it's just like this tri-color, and it says get lost in what you love, which I absolutely love that. It's so true. If you love what you do, you're gonna have so much fun. It just has like this cute little plant design with a triangle. I think this will be really cute with like leggings as like a workout outfit, and it's super soft, you guys. And the last thing they sent me is this really beautiful blue color, and it has a navy detailing, and it says here comes the sun, and it's just like a little sunrise scene with all of this detail. Do you guys see how crazy these designs are? They're so cute. I love this one with a little pop of yellow on it, and it just says Lily Grace on the top as well. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Lily Grace, for sending these to me. I hope you guys check out their new release. I definitely was not expecting this, but I can't wait to style all of these pieces. They're so cute. So again, I will have all of their social medias listed down below. Check them out. They have their release going on, which is super exciting for them. So happy for you guys. I love working with you guys, and again, I wouldn't be able to do this without all of you guys. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll have all our social medias listed down below. And I just hope you're having a great day. I would love to know which new design is your favorite, so let me know in the comments down below. I love being able to chat with all of you guys, and I do respond back to every single comment. And I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye, guys!